Hello there guys, and in this tutorial what we have is actually our checkpoint. Okay, so this is a checkpoint, and in the following tutorials we will cover files and their permissions. Okay, so this is a checkpoint, and I don't know, I'm not sure why I'm writing this because I already told you it's a checkpoint, but anyway, we will cover files. Okay, so we will cover files, and we will cover, and I forgot how to write an ampersand. I thought I had it, but now I don't. And file permissions. Okay, so files and file permissions. Okay, so we're going to cover those. And basically this is really important no matter who you are. Maybe you're just a regular user, you're a super user, you're a software engineer, you're a system administrator, you know, whoever you are, this is really important. And after we cover files and file permissions, we will cover some additional commands related to users. And now those commands are just kind of for you to hear them. If you ever need them, you can reference them easily later, but just for you to have heard them once, I think will be enough for the purposes of these tutorials. Okay, but again, we will talk about something that's really important, so please pay attention to the following tutorials. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Talk to you soon.